This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and this morning I'm going to be making cinnamon swirl bread. I need 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons butter, 2.5 teaspoons of yeast, 1 egg, a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of milk, and 2.5 tablespoons of water. So let's get started. I put my 2.5 tablespoons of water into the microwave for 10 seconds to bring it to 110 degrees. So we're going to pour in our 2.5 tablespoons of water and dissolve 2.5 teaspoons of yeast in it. I also put my half a cup of milk in the microwave for 20 seconds to bring it to 110 degrees. We're going to pour that into our yeast mixture, and we're going to stir this in. We're going to mix in a 1/4 cup of our half a cup of sugar, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to stir this until the ingredients are completely combined. Now we're going to stir in our 3 cups of flour. I'm going to do kind of like a cup at a time. We're going to turn our dough onto a floured surface, and we're going to knead it for about 5 minutes. We're going to form our dough into a ball and set it into a greased bowl and cover it. We're going to let this rise for an hour, but in 30 minutes, we're going to turn the dough over and we're going to grease the top. While we're waiting for our dough to rise, we're going to combine a tablespoon of cinnamon and our other 1/4 cup of sugar. You want to stir this till the cinnamon and sugar are completely combined and you see one color. Our dough is ready, and now we're going to roll it onto a floured surface. We're going to roll this into an 18 by 8 rectangle. Now we're going to spread our cinnamon sugar mixture on top. Now we're going to roll it. We're going to place our roll in a well-greased bread pan. Our cinnamon swirl bread is ready for the oven. We're going to bake this for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Our cinnamon swirl bread is done. We're going to roll it out onto the cooling rack. And let it cool down. It smells awesome. Our cinnamon bread turned out heavenly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.